Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change icons in Samsung Galaxy A16. If you are using A16 and you want to change your app's icons, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for themes option, tap on it, and here just select this icon. And here you must have to look for icon pack which you want to set as your own, as I'm going to select, let's say, this one from here. Then tap on download option, and you just have to wait for it until it's being download. After downloading, just tap on apply, and it will be successfully applied. You just have to wait for it. You can see that our phone's apps icon has been completely changed. So that's how you can easily change your icons in Samsung Galaxy A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.